Nowadays, it is quite challenging to work on a laptop with just one small display. I realized that working from home on a small screen laptop was taking more time and reducing my productivity. So I decided to buy a second monitor to make my workspace more comfortable and efficient for both office and personal use. I wanted something budget friendly yet feature package, and after a bit of research I found this gaming or office monitor, the LG 24GS65F, a 180Hz IPS gaming monitor under 12,000 INR. It promises smooth performance and vibrant visuals at the great price. Let's unbox it, set it up, and see if it really lives up to LG's claim. Hey, I got this box from the Amazon. It just delivered. Here is the box. Simple with big LG UltraGear banding, having 24 inches and 180 Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time, NVIDIA graphics, flicker mode and reader shape mode. Let it cut, and the assembly we have to do, but before that, this is a fresh design, metal black finish, super thin bezels and minimal stands with steel smoothly, HDMI cable, adapter input, audio input are there. The front side design is very clean, metal black finish, super thin bezels and minimum stand that steel smoothly. Now we have to check what kind of things are there with this. Yes, it is having a mountable compatible devices. This were mountable. This is the stand. Let's just open it up, and this is the fixing with the monitor. Now this is the power adapter and HDMI cable. Let's open it. This is the HDMI cable, but I don't think I have this cable input in my laptop, so I bought another HDMI cable. I'll show you later. This is the stand, and this is screw can be tight and it is easily set up. The lower side, and now we can fix it within 1 minute. We have to put into this so it is easily fixed. It is ready to fix. Just pull it off and it is being fixed. Now the display and device is ready. Now we have to use HDMI cable that is not available with this box. This is for my laptop compatible. This is the adapter. Let me plug in. This HDMI cable might be useful for other devices. Let's keep it aside. Let's plug this monitor on, and it is easily ready to be used. Now I have to connect with my laptop with this HDMI cable to the monitor. Let's open my laptop and connect this laptop. Oh, it is having a beautiful text, punchy colors and no visible ghosting. 180 Hz refresh rate is very good for gaming and also displaying. Now, as I have to use for my office work, I need to extend this display such that I can see one display in my place and monitor will be the another display. So for this we have to go for extend these devices, and we have set this is the primary display, my laptop, and this is the secondary display. So we can do some work in the primary laptop and second in the second laptop. So visible color is very good for this monitor. You can do some work here, and this is for the another text. You can open like browser, anything you want. So as a programmer, you might work on the display 1 for your core work programming, and this might be for display or debugging your code. So there are lot of features are there that can be in backside, but as I'm not doing some gaming, so this is my enough setup to work my office work as well my personal work. So it is having 180 Hz refresh rate with 1 ms GTG, IPS panel with vivid colors, lightweight and VESA, and affordable under 12,000 at the moment. There are little height adjustment also. Ports are little bit far to reach. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and want more honest tech reviews, please smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite monitor setup below. Product link is in the description. You can check. Thanks for watching.